Friends, here are some sentences to understand infinitive and gerunds. Sentences: baby likes to run. We will analyze the sentence baby likes to run. In this sentence there are two verbs. First is like, second is to run. Listen and watch carefully the next sentence. The sentence is here, Dhoni likes to play cricket. In this sentence, Dhoni likes to play cricket. There are two verbs. First verb is likes and the second word is to play. Similarly, we will see the next sentence. The next sentence is about Mathili. Mathili loves to sing every night. In this sentence, Mathili loves to sing every night. There are two verbs. First verb is loves and second verb is to sing. Now watch another sentence. Another sentence is about student. He refused to obey the teachers. You can see that in the sentence, he refused to obey the teachers. There are two verbs. First verb is refused and second verb is to obey. Therefore, we can say that in baby likes to run, Dhoni likes to play cricket, Mathili loves to sing every night, he refused to obey the teachers. There are two verbs. First is likes, loves and refused. This is main verb of the sentence used after the subject like, baby, Dhoni, Mathili and he. Baby likes to run. Dhoni likes to play cricket. Mathili loves to sing every night. He refused to obey the teachers. In all these sentences, second verb is to run, to play, to sing, to obey. Having two qualities. First quality is that it is to plus base form of the verb, and second quality is it is used both like a verb and a noun. These second verbs to run, to play, to sing, to obey are used verb and noun, so it is called verb noun. To run, to play, to sing, to obey has three qualities. First is they are to plus base form of the verb. They are used like a verb and a noun, and it is verb noun. Subscribe YouTube channel Surguja English. The verbs to run, to play, to sing, to obey are a special category of verbs. Such verbs are called an infinitive. हिंदी में इन वर्ब शब्दों को कहते हैं infinitive. चूंकि इन वर्बों में देखिए टू लगा हुआ है सभी के सामने, इसलिए इन वर्ब्स को कहा जाता है टू infinitive. Now onward, there is an important message for you. The infinitives can be used in two ways. First is with to and second one is विदाउट टू. मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. द इन्फिनिटिव्स विदाउट टू इज कॉल्ड बेयर इन्फिनिटिव. टू के बिना प्रयोग किए जाने वाले इन्फिनिटिव्स बेयर इन्फिनिटिव्स कहलाते हैं. लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल ऑन दिस. फर्स्ट इज let him go. In this sentence, let him go has two verbs. First verb is let and second verb is go. Let is the main verb. Now see another sentence. Another sentence is we heard her sing. In this sentence, we heard her sing. There are two verbs. First verb is heard and second verb is सिंग. जैसा कि अभी आपने इसके पहले देखा, फर्स्ट वर्ब हमेशा मेन वर्ब हो रहा है. नाउ आई वॉच्ड देम प्ले. इन दिस सेंटेंस आई वॉच्ड देम प्ले देयर आर टू वर्ब्स. फर्स्ट वर्ब दैट इज मेन वर्ब इज वॉच्ड एंड सेकंड वर्ब इज प्ले. सी अनदर सेंटेंस. अनदर सेंटेंस इज आई मेड हिम डू द वर्क. इन दिस सेंटेंस आई मेड हिम डू द वर्क. देयर आर टू वर्ब्स. फर्स्ट वर्ब इज मेड एंड सेकंड वर्ब इज डू. मेड इज द मेन वर्ब. द सेंटेंसेस let him go, we heard her sing, I watched them play, I made him do the work have two verbs in the sentences. First verb is let, heard, watched, made. All these first verbs are primary verbs, that is main verb. In the sentences let him go, we heard her sing, I watched them play and I made him do the work. They are second verb go, sing, play and do. They are called bare infinitive because they are without two, just like two infinitives. Now see these sentences. Baby likes running. The sentence baby likes running has two verbs. First verb is likes, second is running. Now consider this sentence. The first sentence for you is here. Dhoni likes playing cricket. We can easily find that in the sentence Dhoni likes playing cricket. There are two verbs. First verb is likes and second is playing. Now move on to the another sentence. Another sentence is about Mathili the singer. Mathili loves singing every night. We can find that in this sentence Mathili loves singing every night. There is two verbs. First First verb is loves and second one is singing. So baby likes running, Dhoni likes playing cricket, Maithili loves singing every night. First verb is likes and loves. These verbs are called main verbs of the sentence and used after the subject baby, Dhoni and Maithili. See again these sentences. Baby likes running, Dhoni likes playing cricket, Maithili loves singing every night. Second verb is running, playing and singing. These verbs have two qualities. First is base form of the verb plus ing and both are used like a verb and a noun. That's why they are different from to infinitive and bare infinitive. Running, playing and singing are called as verb noun. Qualities of running, playing and singing are here. First is base form of the verb plus ing. Both are used like a verb and a noun and it is a verb noun. See again these verbs running, playing and singing different from infinitive. Such verbs are called as gerund. इन वर्ब शब्दों को कहते हैं gerund. आज आपने टू इन्फिनिटिव, bare infinitive और gerund के बारे में देखा. Underline the two infinitive in the sentences. Sentences are I like to swim, he used to say so, to play cricket is enjoyable, to speak the truth is your duty, this is not the time to play. Answer is as follows: to swim, to say, to play, to speak, to play. These are two infinitives. Now underline the bare infinitives. Sentences are I saw him run, don't touch, I'll do anything except cook, can you help me find my keys, we saw a thief climb over the wall. Bare infinitives are run, touch, cook, help and find and climb. All are bare infinitives. Now underline the gerund in these sentences. I like swimming. Swimming is a good exercise. I like reading stories. Flying make me nervous. She is good at painting. Gerunds are swimming, reading, flying and painting. Today you learnt about two infinitive, bare infinitive and gerunds. Thanks for watching.